Starting a conversation in English feels hard only until you learn the simple moves that make every new person feel comfortable. Hi everyone, I'm Emily, and today we're going to explore how to talk to new people in English with confidence.
And I'm Paul. We designed this lesson for anyone who wants simple, natural phrases that actually work in real conversations.
We'll guide you step by step so you can start speaking to new people without stress.
Let's begin with helpful words and phrases you can use right away.
Let's start with key vocabulary you will hear and use when meeting someone for the first time. The word introduce means to tell someone your name or help people learn each other's names. Example, let me introduce myself. I'm Emily.
The word conversation means talking with another person. Example, we had a short conversation after the class.
Friendly means kind and easy to talk to. Example, she seems friendly, so I will say hello.
Comfortable describes a feeling of ease. Example, I feel comfortable talking with him.
Stranger is a person you do not know. Example, he is a stranger, but he looks open to talking.
Interest is something you like or enjoy. Example, we talked about our interests in travel.
Topic means the thing you are talking about. Example, the topic was food and places to eat.
Polite means using good manners. Example, it is polite to ask someone how they are.
Gesture means a small movement with your hands or face that shows something. Example, she used a hand gesture to wave hello.
Greeting means the first words you say to someone. Example, hi and hello are greetings.
These simple words help you talk about social situations clearly.
Now let's build the core phrases you can use to start a conversation with a new person.
A strong beginning line is simple. Try phrases like, hi, I'm Emily, or hello, my name is Paul. Notice the short structure. Greeting plus name.
You can also ask a light question to open the conversation. For example, how is your day going? The question is friendly and easy to answer.
Another helpful structure is a short comment about the situation. For example, this class is interesting, or this event has a great atmosphere. It gives the other person something to respond to.
When you want to show interest, use sentence frames like I like or I enjoy. This helps the other person learn more about you without feeling pressured.
If you want to ask about the other person, keep it simple. Where are you from? Or what do you do? Short questions are easier for beginners.
After they answer, give a short reaction. You can say nice or that's good or sounds interesting. This keeps the conversation moving.
When you want to continue the topic, try how long have you or what made you. These help them share more.
And if the conversation slows down, you can change the topic with by the way, followed by a new question.
Now let's see how these structures work in simple dialogues. Here's a basic opening example. Hi, I'm Emily.
Hi Emily, I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How is your day going?
It's going well. I just finished a morning class.
That sounds good. What class was it?
It was a writing workshop. What about you? Are you here for the same reason?
Yes, I'm also here for the workshop.
Great. It looks like a useful event.
Here's a small task. Think of one simple greeting you can use with a new person today.
And now think of one easy question you feel comfortable asking.
These quick decisions help you prepare for real conversations. A quick pronunciation hint. When you say, hi, keep the words close together. It sounds like hi, in fast speech.
And here's a fun fact. English greetings are often very short compared to many languages. A small hi can start a full conversation.
When you talk to someone new, confidence is not about being loud or perfect. It's about staying calm and using simple sentences.
One useful idea is to notice the other person's body language. If they smile, make eye contact, or stand in an open position, they're usually ready to talk.
If they look busy or stressed, it's okay to give them space. Social awareness helps you choose the right moment.
When the moment feels right, start with something short. For example, hi, is this your first time here? It's friendly and easy.
If you're nervous, slow your breathing for a second before speaking. A calm start makes your words clearer.
Another helpful habit is to speak a little slower than usual. It helps you think and it helps the listener understand.
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar. People appreciate effort more than perfection. Starting a conversation depends on where you are. Let's look at a few settings.
In a class or workshop, you can ask, what did you think of today's lesson? It connects directly to your shared experience.
At work or a professional event, try, how long have you been working here? Or what project are you on? These questions feel natural and respectful.
In a social place like a cafe, you might say, the coffee here is good. Do you come often? Small comments make the moment softer.
If you're at a community event, you can use, what brought you here today? It opens the door for simple sharing.
No matter the location, keep your tone warm. A friendly voice makes even short sentences inviting.
Here's another scene to show how easy phrases can connect two strangers. Hi, I'm Emily. Is this your first time at this event?
Yes, it is. I wasn't sure what to expect.
Same here, but it seems well organized.
It does. What made you join today?
I wanted to learn more about communication skills. You?
I'm practicing English. I thought this would be a helpful place to start.
That's a good idea. The atmosphere feels supportive.
Yes, I agree. It's easy to talk here.
Let's try another small task. Think of one starter line that feels natural for you. Something short and simple.
Maybe it's, hi, I'm learning English too. Or, hello, I'm new here. Choose whatever feels real to you.
When you create your own line, you're more likely to use it in real life. Sometimes you start a conversation and the other person gives a short answer. That's common. It doesn't mean they dislike you.
You can continue gently with a follow-up question. Oh, nice. How was it? Or, that sounds interesting. What did you like about it?
Another challenge is understanding different accents. If you don't catch something, you can say, sorry, can you say that again? again. It's polite and clear.
If you make a mistake, smile and keep going. Mistakes show that you're trying, and most people respect that.
If you forget a word, try describing it. For example, the place where people go to study fitness, the gym. This keeps the conversation moving.
And if the conversation ends naturally, you can close nicely with "nice talking with you" or "hope to see you again."
Changing the topic is normal. You can begin with short transitions like, by the way, or speaking of that. These help shift the focus.
For example, "By the way, do you live near here?" Or "Speaking of activities, do you have any hobbies?"
Keep changes soft and clear so the other person feels comfortable following along.
And if the topic becomes too difficult, choose something simpler. You can say, "Let's talk about something easy. Do you like movies?"
Easy topics help the conversation flow without stress. Let's hear a short example. Hi, Paul. How is the event so far?
It's interesting. I learned a few new ideas in the last session.
That's good. By the way, do you live nearby?
Yes, just 10 minutes away. What about you?
I'm a bit farther, but I like the area here.
It's a quiet place. Many people enjoy living here.
When meeting new people, emotions matter. Feeling nervous is normal. Most people feel the same way.
If you want to calm yourself, try preparing 1 or 2 simple questions before you talk. It gives your mind something solid to hold.
You can also use friendly gestures, like a small smile or a nod. These show openness.
And always remember, the goal is connection, not perfection.
A beginner-level conversation can still be meaningful if you show genuine interest. Take a moment now to think of one question you can ask someone new this week.
Now think of one topic you enjoy talking about. It might help you keep the conversation going.
These tiny steps build real confidence over time. Let's move into a real practice scene. This first situation is a community English class where 2 people meet for the first time.
Here we go.
Hi there, I'm Emily. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time in this class?
Yes, I wanted to improve my speaking skills. What about you?
Same. I want to practice more in real situations.
That's a good goal. The teacher seems friendly.
Yes, and the class has a positive atmosphere.
True. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the UK. I moved here recently.
That must be exciting. How do you find the city?
It's nice. A bit busy, but full of energy.
I agree. The cafes are great too.
Yes, I noticed that. Maybe after class we can check one out.
Sure, that sounds nice. Now let's try a different situation. This time, Paul and I meet during a workplace event.
Scene 2 begins now.
Hi, I'm Emily. I don't think we've met before.
Hi, Emily. I'm Paul. I joined the company last month.
Welcome. How are you finding everything so far?
It's good. The team is supportive. How long have you been here?
Around 2 years. I enjoy the projects.
That's great. What are you working on these days?
I'm part of the communication team. We help new employees adjust.
That explains why you sound confident when speaking.
Thank you. And what team are you on?
The design team. I'm still getting used to the workflow.
It takes time, but you'll get there.
I hope so. Do you usually come to these events?
Yes, they're a good way to talk to colleagues outside of work tasks.
I can see that. I already feel more relaxed.
Good. If you need anything while settling in, feel free to ask.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Here are some simple but powerful tips to make conversations with new people easier.
Tip 1. Start small. Short greetings and simple questions build trust fast.
Tip 2. Listen more than you speak. People enjoy talking to someone who pays attention.
Tip 3. Keep your questions open but simple. It invites longer answers without pressure.
Tip 4. Smile gently. A small, real smile can lower tension instantly.
Tip 5. Don't rush. Speaking slowly gives you control and helps others understand you.
Tip 6. Accept pauses as normal. Silence doesn't mean failure. It gives space for new ideas. Here's your challenge for today. Choose one place in your daily life where you might meet someone new. It could be a class, a workplace, a shop, or a community space.
Then prepare one greeting and one simple question for that moment. Use them the next time you get the chance.
You don't need a long conversation. One friendly exchange is enough to grow your confidence. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope these skills help you talk to new people with ease.
If this lesson helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more English conversations.
And share in the comments where you plan to use your new conversation skills.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye.